Hey there, quick question. What do you say when you want to drink this? Most English learners say, I open the bottle. But native speakers, we say something different. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 natural verbs that will make your English sound more fluent, instantly. I'm Sarah. This is Listen and Learn English Easy. And yes, you'll practice these with me. Let's go. Listen and Learn English Easy. Real English for real life. First up, you're thirsty. You grab a water bottle. You don't just open it, you twist off the cap. Listen closely. Twist off. Twist off. Now your mouth position. Lips start small for twists, then open for st. Feel that twist in your tongue? Your turn. Say it with me. Twist off. Twist off. Great. Now let's make it real. I twist off the bottle cap and take a drink. Your turn. Repeat. I twist off the bottle cap and take a drink. One more time, faster. I twist off the bottle cap and take a drink. Pro tip. We use twist off for anything with a cap that turns. Water bottles, soda bottles, even some medicine bottles. Now, breakfast time. You want peanut butter on your toast. This lid doesn't just twist, it has threads. It goes round and round. We say unscrew. Unscrew. Notice the un at the beginning? It means to reverse. You're reversing the screwing motion. Say it with me. Unscrew. Unscrew. Perfect. Let's build the sentence. I unscrew the jar lid. Your turn. I unscrew the jar lid. Let's add detail. She unscrews the bottle of vitamins every morning. Repeat. She unscrews the bottle of vitamins every morning. Remember, unscrew equals jars, bottles with threaded lids, light bulbs, even some doors. If it turns to close, you unscrew to open. Okay, hot day. You want something cold and fizzy. Listen to this sound. That sound? That's why we say pop open. Pop open. Short, quick sound. Pop, then open. Try it. Pop open. Pop open. Now the sentence. I pop open a cold soda. Your turn. I pop open a cold soda. Real-life example. He pops open an energy drink before the gym. He pops open an energy drink before the gym. Repeat. He pops open an energy drink before the gym. Quick note. We also pop open champagne bottles, but that's a different lesson. Snack time. You grab a banana. You don't open a banana, you peel it. But when we want to be specific about revealing what's inside, we say peel open. Peel open. Like peeling layers back to open something up. Say it. Peel open. Peel open. Sentence time. I peel open a ripe banana. I peel open a ripe banana. Your turn. I peel open a ripe banana. Another example. Yogurt cups. She peels open the yogurt lid carefully. She peels open the yogurt lid carefully. Repeat. She peels open the yogurt lid carefully. Usage. Bananas, oranges, yogurt lids, foil packets. Anything with a skin or cover you peel back. Last one, and this is my favorite. Breakfast again. You tap it, then break it carefully. We say, crack open. Crack, open. There's a small break, then it opens. Practice. Crack open. Crack open. Let's use it. I crack open 2 eggs for breakfast. I crack open 2 eggs for breakfast. Your turn. I crack open 2 eggs for breakfast. Bonus, we also use this for books. He cracks open his favorite book on Sundays. He cracks open his favorite book on Sundays. Repeat. He cracks open his favorite book on Sundays. Meaning: eggs, nuts, coconuts, and metaphorically, books or beers. Crack open a cold one equals open a beer. Quick check. I'll show you something. You say the verb. Ready? You say, twist off. You say, unscrew. You say, pop open. You say, peel open. You say, crack open. Amazing! You just learned 5 verbs that native speakers use every single day. So, which one will you use today? Drop a comment and tell me, I need to my coffee jar. What's the verb? If this helped you, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more English learners. And don't forget to subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for new videos every week. I'm Sarah. Keep practicing your shadowing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.